Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a review on the best accounting tools. Accounting AI tools out there. 7 best AI accounting software for 2025. Now let's get started. Now if you are sick of endless spreadsheets and tax time panic, then AI accounting software is your answer. Imagine automatic tracking, streamlined invoicing, and insights for smarter financial decisions. Get ready to transform your bookkeeping with the best AI-powered tools. Because traditional accounting can feel like a never-ending nightmare, but fear not, because AI is here to save the day. AI accounting software takes the tedious work off your plate, lets you explore, and find the perfect fit. So let us look at them. Well, we've checked on seven options, and now we're going to introduce them to you, and then you find the perfect fit for your business. So let's get started. The first one we're going to be looking at is this one, which is Docty. You can see it's Docty AI or Doct AI, where you get real-time end-to-end bookkeeping automation, see your expenses and profitability in real time. Now what it's about, think of it as your tireless virtual bookkeeper. It shines in automation, streamlining your accounting processes with incredible precision. So imagine a smoother month-end close. That's right, effortless revenue reconciliation and real-time financial insight at your fingertips. Next, let's look at the key benefits of this. Yes, what are the key benefits? What do you enjoy from this? Well, you get automation and efficiency because Doc AI, which is AI accounting, automates 95% plus of your tedious accounting tasks. Also, analytics and reporting. Powerful dashboards reveals insightful patterns in your research, in your finances actually. Then, cloud-based access. You securely work from anywhere, anytime. Cloud-based access, and next is scalability. It is designed to grow with your business, and when it comes to security, it has bank level encryption and rigorous compliance to keep your data protected. It also has mobile apps, so you can track and approve expenses or payments on the go, available on App Store and Google Play. Now when it comes to pricing, we have pricing here for businesses and for accounting firms or CFO services. Now the starting price, as you can see, for businesses and accounting firms, we have $209 per month. We have the advanced plan of $499 per month. We have the advanced plus plan of $799 per month, enterprise plan of $999 per month. There's so many things you can get from them. Just check out this page. Now if you go for accounting firms and CFO services, the plans also is a little different. You have what they call the higher, you have this, you have to fill in all this, and then they will tell you the plan as it is. You have to like custom planning. Now let's look at the pros and the cons. Yes, we have under the pros, we have advanced automation for incredible time savings, user-friendly interface with minimal onboarding, excellent analytics and reporting tools. But when it comes to the cons, as you saw when I opened up the pricing, I'm sure some of you are wondering what? That's right, it can be pricier compared to more basic options. Some features may have a little learning curve too. That's the second disadvantage or con. Let's try the next one. The next on our list is Truewind. Now, Truewind says double your revenue. This is the help center where you can send messages and stuff. So Truewind is an AI assistant that is live, and it says you should double your revenue and get digital staff accounting. So it's powered by AI. Truewind is a digital staff accountant that never gets sick and always does its work completely predictable. So never sleeps, completely predictable capacity planning, over 500 plus 5-star reviews. So here we have it. Now it's like having a dedicated accounting team minus the hefty price tag. Yes, It combines cutting-edge AI with expert human support, giving you the best of both worlds. Now, the key features are automation and efficiency. Twin handles the grunt work so you can focus on the bigger picture. It also has analytics and reporting, cloud-based access, scalability, security, top-notch security, and human support. A dedicated team of CPAs are also available to offer valuable guidance. Now, when it comes to pricing, TrueWind has custom pricing too. Now, under custom pricing, which means you have to contact them directly for personalized quote tailored to your business. So that's why we don't have any pricing right here. Now, moving on to the pros and the cons. When it comes to the pros, the ideal combo of automation and human expertise, tailored support from experienced accountants, excellent for business seeking ongoing guidelines. When it comes to the cons, cost of pricing may lack upfront transparency. Like now, you have no idea how much it costs, and it is debatable for those needing complete in-house control. And let's go to the next one, which is Zini AI. Now, this is Zini AI. And Zini AI is a perfect pick for startup and growing businesses that need to streamline back office operation. It is designed to simplify your financial life so you can focus on growth. Zini AI delivers an excellent combination of automation and dedicated support. It is perfect for scaling businesses that want to modernize their financial operations. Key benefits are automation and efficiency, analytics and reporting, cloud-based access, scalability, security, and dedicated support. Now, when it comes to pricing, just look at the pricing. I believe it has a startup plan of about $299 per month. Is that true? Whoa, it's even more than I thought. It's $494 per month for the startup plan, and then it has $719 per month for the growth plan, and the enterprise plan is for custom, so you have to contact them. If you have any questions, you click here, they will direct you. So all their plans include AI booking, AI reimbursement, AI bill payments, AI business checking account. So when it comes to the pros, so bar for startup and growth focus companies, it has intuitive dashboard with real-time insight and excellent customer service, as you can see, and responsiveness. But when it comes to the cons, it can be pricier. Yep, it is expensive. And then it might be less suitable for established businesses with complex needs. So let's look at the next one, which is Gridless Sky. Gridless Sky is your versatile accounting powerhouse, particularly for businesses that crave customization. This could be the one for you if you have specific workflow needs or want flexibility. And then the key benefits are automation and efficiency, and analytics and reporting, cloud-based access, scalability, security, customizable workflows, and integration, seamless integration with existing business tools. Now, when it comes to the pricing, let's look at the pricing. We have the plans. You choose your plan. We have the startup plan $15 per month, growth plan $50 per month, and scale plan, which is customizable. You contact and request for a demo for that.